Hi everyone, welcome to the back channel. A sweeping view of the 2025 Hyundai Palisade driving along a scenic coastal road. Narrator. Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Palisade, a three-row SUV that seamlessly blends upscale design with exceptional performance. Narrator. At first glance, the Palisade commands attention with its bold and sophisticated exterior. The distinctive front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, exudes confidence and modernity. Narrator. Its aerodynamic silhouette is complemented by available 20-inch alloy wheels, enhancing both style and stability on the road. Narrator. The rear design features striking LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets, underscoring the Palisade's sporty yet refined character. Interior shot. Pan across the spacious cabin, highlighting the premium materials and lieu. Narrator. Step inside to discover a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. The Palisade offers seating for up to 8 passengers, with available Napa leather upholstery providing a touch of elegance. Narrator. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, seamlessly integrated with navigation and a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring connectivity on the go. Narrator. Available second-row captain's chairs offer first-class comfort, while the spacious third row ensures that every passenger travels in comfort. Narrator. Versatility is key, with power folding seats that provide ample cargo space for all your adventures. Narrator. Under the hood lies a robust 3.8-liter V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive driving. Narrator. The available H-Track all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction across diverse road conditions, giving you confidence whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off the beaten path. Narrator. Safety is paramount, with a suite of advanced features like blind spot monitoring and parking assist, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Narrator. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade, a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Experience the journey like never before. Narrator. Visit your local Hyundai dealer or explore more at HyundaiUSA.com. Note. For a visual overview, you might find this video insightful.